Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dave Kettner here again with another Power Results Academy training. Something that I want to share with you today, and I want to share how easy it is to actually make your own sales funnel. Now, I know people are working with some businesses, and they said they don't have a sales funnel, they don't have a video to send the traffic to. Well, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use your Power Results Academy, your back office, to actually generate a sales page or a capture page to send your traffic to about your next business. So you saw that my last video that I was showing you how to do a follow-up series with Aweber, and to send links in those emails to wherever you want them to go to start promoting your next business. And I used the Lioness example because that was our main business that we're promoting. Well, I'm going to use Power Results Academy right now to show you how I set up this page right here. It's a nice little sales funnel here, just a little introduction, cash back with every purchase, your customer loyalty program. This video right here is just a Lioness video. It's about a little more than 3 minutes, I believe. This gives you a little introduction of what Lioness is. And then you see over here to find out how you get cash back from every purchase from the shopping that you're already doing by entering, or to find out how, I think I actually made a mistake on that. To find out how you can get cash back from every purchase from shopping you're already doing by entering your details below. Okay, enter your name and email to start getting cash back now. And you just put that information right in there. You hit register, and boom. So they got I'm gonna get their email address again, their name, so I know that they're interested in this program. And then I'll start following up with them about Lioness and tell them what's great about this program. So let me show you how I did this. It's pretty easy. Believe it or not, it's pretty easy. So let me log into my Power Results Academy here. And you're going to go to Software Lead Squeezer. All right. So you click on Lead Squeezer. Now, if you go to Introduction there, it actually gives you a nice introduction video. But even here, there's a video that's going to tell you exactly how to do this, and it walks you through step by step. And what's great about this is you don't even have to you don't have to do any of the technology. Okay, let's show you. You just put in there what you want, and then boom, and they host it for you. So you see this link right here is one of the ones that I already made. If I were to click that, you'd see the one. So I'm going to start from brand new here to show you how easy this is. So if you want to go through that video, I'd suggest it, but I'm going to show you real quick how I do this. So they give you these samples here, and you can click on each one to see which one you like the best. The one that I used in the example is this bottom one right here. So you click on that, and it brings up their template. All right, so it's just a bunch of gibberish here. You have to go through and you just put in your information, and when you save it, and then boom, you can do the same thing as well. You see up here it says edit template. Now, if you know what you're doing, you can go through and download these things, and you could have to do it to your own server, and there's a lot more technology involved. But if you just publish, I'm going to show you here after we make these changes, that that's all you need to do, and it's hosted for you. And if you just click on any of these things, so this is the the main headline here. If you just double click it, it pops up this edit heading. All right, and all you have to do is go in there, delete what they put, and put your information. So I'm just going to go and copy what I did so I don't have to redo it. I'm going to show you, basically how it goes in there. And I'm going to paste it right in there. Now, notice it didn't copy over any of the size or anything, but it's going to already do what it was set to do before. So hit submit. Look, there it is. Boom. Cash back with every purchase, your customer loyalty program. Now, I could change the color of that. Let me double click it again. If you wanted to, you can highlight and say, you can change the size to whatever you want. You can change the font color. Let's say I want to make it green. All right, I can change the font. Let's make it Comic Sans. And I can make it bold, italicized, whatever. All right, all this stuff, you can make it a link. As soon as you hit submit, there it is. It just changed. It cash back with every purchase, your customer loyalty program. Okay, I don't know if that's gonna be the best color, but let's go for it to show you what the changes are. Up here it says this offer will expire in 48 hours. You can double click that. You can change it whatever you want. All right, let's make it 24 hours. Again, I could change the font, anything I want here. Just play around with it. Now it says, this will expire in 24 hours. Double click over here. This is what you want to put in there, like I did, telling people to basically sign up for more information. All right, so I'm just going to copy and paste what I already did. Again, same thing. Change the sizes, the font, whatever you want. You hit submit, and then boom, there's the changes. all right? And your name and email to gain instant access now. Now, if you want to change it a little bit, you just double click it. Again, I wrote this, and your name and email to start getting cash back now. So I'm just going to copy that as if I was writing it right here. Submit. Boom, look at that, it's done. Now, here it says watch video. You see that? Now, when you double click that, this is going to be a little more different. Now, this is going to ask you, if people submit their name and email address, where is it going to go, basically? If you have it set for default, it's going to go to what PRA already has for your Aweber. But let me show you what I did. In my Aweber account here, I actually made another list. Okay, see, it's called Cashback Living. All right, I just made that list the same way we made our other lists before, like the power results now, and I'm going to keep this separate. So this is going to be people that are interested in my new business that I'm promoting here, which is the Lioness model. So I'm going to take that list name. So this is something you would want to do in advance, is just figure out what you're going to do. If you're going to use this the way I'm doing now, make a list, get the list name, and then you're going to plug that in. Here, change it so it's not default. It says list name. Pop it in there. Now it says redirect. Where do you want them to go after they click that watch that video link? If you have a video you can send it to about the business in addition to the one you're doing here, if you have a webinar you want to go to, wherever you have full control of this. All right, I went through and I actually made a, if I actually show you where this goes, it goes to a site that I made that has a video on it, and I'll just show you where it goes by doing it this way. So if I actually just put my name in here and I put an email address in there, it goes to this page here. Okay, I actually made this page. This is a little more complicated. Let's say your business already has something like this. All right, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the link to this and I'm going to direct it to that link. All right, so now I have my Aweber. I have the list name I created in Aweber. I have the redirect after they fill out their information where it goes. And if I wanted to, I can even change that watch video link. So if they're not going to a video, I can find another link. And the way I did this, let me show you real quick, is I just went to Google Images. You could find so many things in Google Images. All right. And I just did, I think I did a Get It Now button. All right. Or a submit button. Look at all those things. All I can do is I can just grab one of these things. Let's say this one right here. Right click on that. I'm going to save the image. And whatever you want to call it, let's call it Get It Now button. All right, now I go back to here and it says upload images. So if I click select files and wherever I save that, Get It Now button. All right, and hit submit to enter all this information. Now watch what happens. Okay, obviously that needs to be changed. That wouldn't work. It doesn't fit there. But I did actually grab a Register Now button from Google Images, which is right here. And if I double click that, boom. See, that's much smaller. Register Now. Now, if you did want that Get It Now button, you could just go into an image editor and make it a little smaller. But just, you can find one that already is the right size, and there's tons of them in there. So, I mean, that was pretty big. So if I were to do maybe this one right here, let's see if this one works. This is, I get one that's working here. Save image as, we'll just call that one the Get It Now button. And replace it. And then I'll come back in here and double click it again. Select the file, and I will get that Get It Now button. And let's see if it works better this time. There it goes. Much better, right? All right, so that fits in there. So now if someone puts that information in there, it's going to go to exactly what we just did, which it's going to pull to that Aweber list that I put in there. It's going to go to this redirect page. All right, very simple. Now the last thing to do here is this video. Now this is a boxing video, and this has nothing to do with my page, right? I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is, like, up here at the top left is a little pencil. That's the edit button. You click on that. It says, okay, well, what link do you want in there? All right, so what I did was I went to, and so any video that you have in there that would go with your page would work. I actually went to my Linus account, there is social media up there. There's a little YouTube button. I clicked on that, and I looked in here for Linus English, obviously, because I'm promoting English. And I was looking for an introduction video. And I went down here, and we have Linus Shopping and Benefits in English. Look at that. Click on that. And I saw this video, and I said, you know what? I like that video. All right, so I'm just going to pause that there. And so they have a share button. I clicked on share, and boom, there's the link. I copy that link, go back to the Power Results Academy there, paste that link, and I hit submit. Guess what? The page is done. We will test it out here in a minute, but everything's in there the way I want it. All right, cashback with every... No, yeah, like I said, I don't like that green because you see how we have a reddish orange color going here. And I'll just double click that and I'll say, yeah, I don't want that color. I would like to have that red or orange. Let's do an orange because that matches the button we have down there. Yeah, much better. Okay, and then maybe I'd want to have this your down below. So I just double click it again and let's just do it there on the bottom. Boom, much better. Okay, that's all it is. It's just going through, clicking on it, and making the changes. So that looks good. That's the way I want it. I'm going to hit publish. All right, and there's the link. Okay, so now I'm going to click this link, and it's going to take me to the page that we just created. Well, there it is. There's that Linus video I just told you about, the introduction video, shopping benefits. I'm going to stop that so it's not blowing your ears out there. But there it is. And now we can test out this funnel. I'm going to have to put a different email in there probably. That's fine. And then let's see if it works. Get it now. There it goes to my next video. All right. And then all I have to do now is go into my Aweber account and go to this Cashback Living and obviously go through and do my follow-up messages. Okay. By creating them right here. And there you go. So now I'm using my subscribers that I got from my PRA, which is my Power Results Academy here, the 614 I have subscribed. All right, and I'm going to send those people, as you saw from my follow-up emails in the last video, to this page that we just created right here. All right, and then they're going to go to a new list, and then they're going to, as soon as I do that, they're going to direct right to that page that goes here, which could be whatever page you want, and they're going to show up in here as subscribers, and then I can follow up with them and tell them everything I want about my business, in this case, Linus. So again, that's a very easy way to go through PRA because you have this link here. You don't even have to host it. You just take that link and you copy it, and that's your link that you're going to use, and it goes directly to the page you created very easily. It's amazing, this program, guys. You know, PRA makes things... Sorry about that. I can get to stop here. That would be nice. I'll tell you what. I'm just going to close that page out because it wouldn't stop. Anyway, PRA makes this very simple to do these things. In the past, myself as an internet marketer, it would take hours upon hours about putting these things together, and now the average person can do it with just point and click, basically. And so there you have it. So if you guys have any questions about that, feel free to get a hold of me. Let me know your questions, your comments, and I look forward to helping you now use those subscribers you've gotten from your PRA to start promoting your main business with these tools that PRA gives us. So with that said, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and take care. Bye-bye.